Hey guys, so this is the rear wishbone from a 955 957 Cayenne. It's a pressed steel component, fairly chunky and strong. There are a lot of kits and products and similar out there in the aftermarket which aim to strengthen this or protect it for off-road use, and they are generally a triangular plate which bolts in to these points here, closes this gap. And that's a good idea because it stops sort of protrusions and large rocks and similar getting caught in this when you're overlanding, off-roading, etc. The issue is if you get hung up on this, it puts a lot of strain on the corner and on other components around it. But a lot of these bolt-in triangular plate kits don't actually offer any protection for this leading edge. And what you really want is something which will guide this bone over the protrusion or rock and stop it getting caught up, hung up. Now, Porsche actually thought about this back in the day, and the off-road kit that was available for the Cayenne came with lower wishbone guards. And the lower wishbone guards that Porsche produced look like this. Now, this is quite a nice moulded part. I suspect it's some sort of glass reinforced nylon or similar. It certainly feels like it, but really nice part. Fits to the bone like so. It has plenty of reinforcement spars here, which provide some protection and guidance around the leading edge of the bone. So any sort of large rocks or similar will push that corner up on the suspension rather than getting caught up on it. Still provides a bit of brake cooling because the rear brake cooling is provided through the bone on the Cayenne. But still, provides this this protection and this guidance element to stop the bone getting caught up on rocks and similar. Now, this part is still available from Porsche. It's a stock part as far as I can tell, so it is in stock in Germany. Your local UK Porsche dealer will need to get it sent over, but it's 5 to 10 days. And the best bit is that they are less than £40 each. So for sort of sub 100 quid, you can fit a pair of those to your Cayenne, and it would be very sensible to do so. They're super easy to fit. The attachment points are literally through these holes here, and they attach with a sort of standard Porsche plastic rivet. I will put the part number for both sides of these guards and the plastic rivet in the description. Really good idea to fit these. Cheap mod, well worth doing. I hope that's useful. Cheers, guys.